On September 10, 2025, an inspection of the Steel Creek High Hazard Dam was successfully conducted at L Lake. The dam, historically used as a cooling lake for L reactor, now plays a crucial role in maintaining habitats and containing contaminated sediments from previous reactor operations.
If Steel Creek Dam should fail, there's a possibility of the traveling public being on 125 and being affected by it. This inspection involves quite a few people on site. Transportation is the facility manager, so they have a number of people out here. The dam operator, their management, their support people running pumps and doing other things. Rigging does a majority of the work they do all the work with the rigging. Putting in the bulkheads, building scaffolds, raising and lowering us in and out of the tower. Radcon support, industrial hygiene, of course, monitor it because all these are confined spaces. Layout went in with us to survey the conduit. Fire department stages a crew here on site because it's such a remote work area and so many people are involved. They're on scene in case anything happens. Safety, of course. Those are the major players.
The inspection adhered strictly to DOE Code 18 CFR 12, the safety of water power projects and project works. The operation involved a 6-month preparation phase, followed by 2 intensive days in the field.
I'm here today with our design authority alternate, Hunter Zielinski. This helps us with the knowledge transfer here on site.
Hopefully Richard will be here for a lot longer because he is a fountain of knowledge. When I do ultimately take over his position, I think it's important to have that knowledge transfer because once he's gone, there's no getting him back, and he is always helping anybody with anything they need. He's been out here for over 35 years, so he's got a lot of history at this site, and he kind of knows the ins and outs of basically everything.
There are a lot of moving parts with the inspection, closing the tower, draining the tower, doing the flush the day before. This is his first time ever seeing some of this, and we've gone through and looking at prints and here's what this does and why this is here and all that kind of stuff. But until you get in there and actually see it, it really helps to be able to put eyes on it. I think he's gained an understanding for why certain things are the way they are. It's just an invaluable step in the knowledge transfer to actually be able to get out there and see things.
A combined effort by multiple specialized teams ensured a thorough inspection. Their dedication and expertise culminated in the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission reviewing the dam and finding no issues.